Welcome to the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm your host, Colin Receiver. And I want to go back more than 2 years ago where I talked about in this same podcast, the one about form versus function and how you need more than just a pretty website to attract more and better patients. Now, sure, the form is great. Having a pretty website is great, but your dental website also needs a lot of functionality to get it going. Balancing the form and function will establish you as an expert and help you communicate with your prospective patients. Check out today's Wayback Wednesday to learn more. Hey, Colin Receiver here. Today's Monday, February 4th, and getting back in the saddle. I was out down in Texas for a couple days on a video shoot. But today's thoughts, I want to talk about form versus function. And we see this a lot with dental websites out there that, there's a lot of dental website companies that only focus on the form, or maybe they do focus on the function, but it's not the function that actually generates new patients. And what I mean by that is we hear from a lot of docs that want to have automatic bill pay on their website, and they want to have a login system that patients can schedule their own appointments. And, those things are kind of novelty and cool, but they're not going to create new patients for you. You're not going to get new patients in your practice, or really even, in my opinion, save a lot of staff time from paying what I've seen to be several $100s a month to have a system that allows patients to schedule their own appointments. And from what I've seen with those systems, you lose a lot of money because there's no relationship. It's something that a patient can log on and click and cancel their appointment, make an appointment. There has to be a relationship there. That's what's going to keep people coming back. So back to form versus function. A lot of website designers only look at form. A lot of dental websites out there are pretty, and that's about all you can say for them. But your dental website needs to be doing a number of things beyond just being pretty. And I'm sure everybody in your office thinks your website's great. You probably have patients coming in saying your website's great. But I challenge you to actually look at the results. Use a call tracking number and see what you're getting. If your website's been up for 6 months and you're not getting 50 phone calls a month, or if your website's been up for 12 months and you're not seeing 100 phone calls a month coming in from your dental website, that should be a sign that something needs to change. Either your website is very pretty, but it's just not converting. We see a lot of different design flaws that run off new patients that are very pretty, but they run off new patients. Maybe your patients aren't converting into phone calls. Maybe you're not following up. Maybe people, when they look at your website, they are categorizing you as just a run-of-the-mill dentist. And they're looking at what you do and thinking, well, this guy just does what everybody else does. I'm looking for somebody special, a dentist that's really going to take care of me. There can be a number of reasons why, but make sure that when you're building your dental website, it's a lot more than just form. There's a lot of function that goes into it. And I don't mean function, again, as in schedule appointments online, because I don't believe in that silliness, I call it. A lot of functionality for communicating with your patients and setting yourself up to be the expert in their eyes. So that's our message for Monday. Have a great week.